Giles Keating always has interesting things to say. He is joining us from Bitcoin Suisse. Do you want to get the Bitcoin bit over and done with before we get on to the interesting? Let's do that bit first, Giles. Do you need to rebrand? Good morning.
Not at all, no. Look, obviously, we've had some difficult times in crypto markets. They're still going on, but the core systems are working well. The blockchains are functioning. It's the companies that have been doing DeFi lending, obviously the problems with the stablecoin Terra, but the core Bitcoin, Ethereum, the core blockchains are functioning well.
What about this price lark then, Giles? I spent way too, I don't know if you did, in fact you probably did more interesting things. I spent way too much time this weekend looking at the extraordinary price action and trying to get under the skin of those whom what they had to say both for and against Bitcoin over the weekend. It was quite frightening stuff on both counts as well. Is Bitcoin going to carry on going down as we get this, as you say, the refi and a lot of the exchange conundrums and oscillation out of the way?
We clearly are, the feeling in my eyes is that we're close to a point where some of the real excess leverage has now been driven out of the system and a bottom can begin to be formed. Now, some people are warning that we're still not yet there and that if we were to break significantly lower, that we'd see another wave of liquidations. There's always that risk hovering there. But my feeling, given, I think those very, very big double-digit rebounds we saw in Bitcoin, particularly in Ether, I think to my mind, that was a sign that a lot of those really big liquidations are now done and that the base really is being formed.